Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen, we've been pretty sideways for a few weeks now, but it still, to me, looks like impulsive up, corrective sideways, which should lead to another impulsive up. If it goes to the 78% and then turns down dramatically, then that's what's going to tell me this is really either an AB or a 1, 2, and we're going to make a wave to the downside for either a 3 or a C. But we really don't have to worry about that now because the momentum is definitely up on the weekly and the daily. So on the shorter time frames, I definitely am still looking for longs within an uptrend. I'm looking for longs to go long down here, down there, down here. If we get a nice engulfing move to the upside, especially if it's at like a Fibonacci retracement level, then I definitely am recommending longs at the end of pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.